Exercise 10.2 Problem 3 Solution. Draw the graph for the given table and hence find the value of y if x equal to 4 and value of x when y equal to 12. So what's the graph? They have given you the x and the y values. So straight away they've given the x values and the y values, and they're asking us to draw the graph and then find the values of these two. We have to answer these two questions, right? But as you first thing, we'll have to write the equation of the for the given data, right? So how will we do? We know, as you can see, as x increases from 1 to 3, 3 to 5 and so on, you can see y is increasing from 2 to 6, 6 to 10, right? So y is directly proportional to x. Okay, so when y is directly proportional to x, what is the equation? Y is equal to kx, right? Whenever it's directly proportional, it will become y equal to kx. You might be wondering, why is it always direct? There are some cases it will become inversely proportional. For example, speed and time and all these things will be, when you increase the speed, time will decrease. When you increase the time, speed will decrease. Such things are inversely proportional. I'm sure there will be a couple of problems in that direction as well. Okay, but for the time being, y is directly proportional to x, so y is equal to kx. So what is k? K is y by x. So let's find y k value. For this case, y is 2 and x is 1. So k is 2 by 1. For this case, it's 6 by 3, so that is 2. So in all the cases, it is the same constant. Okay, 6 by 3, 10 by 5, 16 by 8. So k is 2. So when k is 2, what is the equation? Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to kx and k is 2, so it becomes y equal to 2x. So what are the points? 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 10, 7, 14, 8, 16. The x and the y value together, right? So these are the values, the points which needs to be plotted. Now next thing we'll have to look at the scale. X is varying from 1 to 8. So we can easily take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. And y equal to 2 to 16. So 16 is little difficult. So let's take 1 unit equal to 2 centimeters for y axis. Okay, right. Let's go ahead, plot it, and we'll have to draw the graph, which is basically a straight line with a slope of 2. And then from that graph or straight line, we'll have to find the value of y when x is equal to 4 and the value of x when y equal to 12, right? So let's go ahead. So that is done. So these are the points which needs to be plotted, the x-axis and the y-axis. I forgot to add, anyway, this is x, right? We don't have any particular label, so that's fine. And this is y-axis. Right, now let's plot the points. Okay, anyway, let's go through the scale and the divisions, the units of the x-axis. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. And there are no negative values. I'm just keeping 2 units on the left side. And for the y also, we don't have any negative values. But for namesake, for clarity, I've just introduced 2 units on the 2 centimeters on the negative side. But everything else is on the positive side. And in y, the 1 centimeter is 2 units. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 goes on. You might be wondering, why is 1 centimeter so long on the x-axis and very short here? That is for the graphical purpose. I have done that. Otherwise, it will become very cluttered. Okay, in a graph paper, both will be equal. Right? That is fine. Now, let's go ahead, plot it. So 3, 6. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 6. So x-axis, x is equal to 3. So this is the point. Y is equal to 6. This is the y. So come horizontally along this line and go up vertically along this line. Where it intersects, that's the point. Right? Now take one more case, 7 and 14. X is equal to 7. Y is equal to 14. Right? Move horizontally along this line. Okay? And go up vertically. They both will meet at one point. So that is the point. 7, 14. Like that, you can do the remaining points and then join all the points. You will get a straight line. Y equal to, representing y equal to 2x. But as I told you, if one point, let's say one point lies outside here, then there is something wrong in that problem. All other 4 points fall along a straight line, and in one point lies outside, there is something wrong in your calculation. You'll have to quickly check it out. Okay, that's right. Next, now we have the graph. We have, what is the first question? We'll have to find the value of y when x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 is here. Draw a line, vertical line, to cut the graph. So it cuts here, and from here draw a horizontal line. It will meet the y-axis at this point. So that is the value of y, because the y, this is y value and this is x value, right? I missed to write it. Anyway, you can label it. This is the x values and this is the y value. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. What is the next question? What is the x value and y equal to 12? So from y equal to 12, draw a horizontal line to cut the graph. So it cuts here, and draw a vertical line downwards. It cuts the x-axis at this point. So x is equal to 6. So when y equal to 12, x is equal to 6. Now if you want to find what is the value of x when y equal to 10. So from 10, draw a horizontal line. It will cut here, then go down, it meets here. So that is 5. Like that, you can find whatever value you want along by drawing these two lines. Cutting the axis, from that point you draw a horizontal or vertical line depending upon y value or x value, and then from that point you draw the next line cutting the axis. Okay, so from the graph we get where the value of y when x is equal to 4 is 8, and the value of x when y equal to 12 is x, right? So that's all in this case. It's a pretty simple problem. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video. But just one more point. So don't forget to write the scale, label the axis, and write the units along the axis. Okay, and you have to draw this horizontal and vertical lines to indicate the values of the question asked. Okay, and don't forget to write the equation of the straight line also. Okay, these are all very important, otherwise they might cut some marks. Okay, thanks for watching this video.